Thirsty things find things to drink. 3,000 spears were thrown at the throne. They threw 3 things. This is obvious nonsense, but I think you know where we're going. Let's practice this sound. Hey there, grammar splainies. This is another watch and listen and repeat video that you should try to do every day if you have difficulty with this sound, because as you know, simply knowing how to pronounce it and doing it once is not the same thing as being able to use it in everyday speech. It's like piano lessons or dance lessons.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It takes consistent practice to be able to move your tongue in and out quickly. So let's do some drills. But first, let's just review how to make that sound. You're going to push your tongue all the way out right between your teeth and blow across them. You might even feel specks of saliva flying off. Let's try this. That's an exaggeration of how you do it in actual speech, but get used to the feel of your tongue going right out across your teeth and exhaling across it, blowing across it. So for our first exercise, you're going to put your tongue out and you're going to make a vowel over and over, and you're going to keep your tongue out the entire time. This is what it's going to look like. Tha, 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 tha. You're not going to pull your tongue back in. Just leave it out the entire time. This is going to get you used to the idea of making a vowel sound with that tongue between your teeth. Leave it out. Now you'll have to do this on one breath, so we'll just do 5 at a time. Let's go. Take a breath. Tha, 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 tha. Let's do another 5. Tha, 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 tha. Do you feel comfortable with that? Just get used to it. You can practice that a few more times if you want. If not, follow me. For our next exercise, you're going to start with your tongue out and you're going to whip it back and then shoot it right back out and rest it against your teeth to get ready for the next whip. Here's what I'm talking about. This is what it's going to look like. Tha. You're going to voice this. Tha. 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 We'll do 10 of those. You can actually breathe through this exercise. So let's get ready to do 10. All right, but take a deep breath anyway. Okay. By the way, I'm going to do all these with you. I'm not going to loop the video. So let's go. Tha. 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 How'd you do? One thing, try to keep your head and your neck and your shoulders still as you do these exercises. Let your tongue do the work. Don't let your head bob out. That might happen. Okay, let's go for another 10 and just snap that tongue across your teeth and shoot it right back out and get it ready for the next rep. Okay? So it's like tha. Tha. Okay? 10. Tha. 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 If you want a little more work with that, then just click that timestamp down there and keep doing it as long as you want. If you want to move on, come with me. We're going to do the same exercise, but we're going to speed it up a little. And actually, you might find this is easier because your tongue isn't going to be scraping across your teeth getting sore. It's going to be sort of tapping across your teeth as you do it. It's going to look like this. Tha, 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 tha. You're going to be snapping it back and forth just inside your teeth. You're not going to be pushing your tongue out and pulling it back so far. It's just going to be quick taps. So let's go. 10. Tha, 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 tha. Want to do another 10? Let's go. Tha, 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 th. Maybe try a little freestyle. If you want to keep doing that drill, click the timestamp. If you're ready to go on, follow me. For this exercise, we're going to start on a vowel and slide our tongue out slowly and then whip it back. It's going to look like this. And you'll be able to breathe through this exercise as well. So let's do 10 of those. Get ready. Okay. Let's do 10 more. If you want to keep doing those drills, just hit the timestamp. If you're ready to move on, follow me and we'll do some words. Let's practice some words now, and I'm going to recite each word once slowly and then at normal speed. And you may find these words are easier to say at normal speed because your tongue is just going to tap and come back in. So let's go. Tooth, tooth, toothy, toothy, ethics, ethics, Athens, Athens, math, math, mathematics, mathematics, bath, bath, bathyscaphe, bathyscaphe, froth, froth, frothy, frothy. Now let's try some more challenging words. Faithful, faithful, truthful, truthful, mirth, mirth, mirthless, mirthless, earth, earth, earthy, earthy, earthly, earthly, month, month, monthly, monthly, aesthetic, aesthetic, health, health, healthy, healthy, wealth, wealth, wealthy, wealthy, three, three, sixth, sixth, 3/6. Let's do that one again. 3/6. 3/6. 3/6. Length. Length. Lengthy. Lengthy. Strength. Strength. Strengths. Strengths. It's a difficult sound, but be patient with yourself. Start off slowly. Just do as much as you can before you move on. Do those drills at the beginning of this video as many times as you have to before you go on to the next one. You could also practice some of those tongue twisters I was reading at the beginning of this video. Here we are. I have to read them because they make no sense. Thirsty things find things to drink. 3,000 spears were thrown at the throne. They threw 3 thick things. I'll put them down in the notes. But the other thing I would advise you to do is to just find whatever it is that you like to read, news or fiction or comic books, and read out loud and focus on this sound. Focus on making that sound correctly, and if you aren't making it correctly, then slow down. Slow down and just make that sound correctly, and in whatever word you're stuck on, just make it happen. Make your tongue go out and come back in, and practice it a few times before you continue reading. And try to do these drills for about 3 minutes a day or 3 minutes a couple of times a week, and see if your ability with this difficult sound improves over the coming weeks or months. And there's a word for you: months.